Hi there, this is Ankit, back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNA Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in the last video, I was working on display of the ticket that was booked by the respective passengers. So first I need to complete my navigation bar of print ticket.php file. Okay, in last video I had completed my working of script, but due to lack of time I can't able to show you the output. So first let me show you the output and then we will go onwards. So for this okay, first come to print ticket.php file. Okay, there is an error. As you can see on the screen, our visuals is not according to our requirement. So first of all, this is due to, I think, the images that I have included in the navigation bar. So for this, first of all, copy this class print ticket number image and create another separate file inside a CSS folder for the print ticket.php file. So for this, new okay, let me open my rpool using okay, now click on new, save it and provide the name printed ticket.css. okay, okay, and save it inside the directory containing our project, that is local disk D, XAMPP folder, htdoc folder and busbook tutorial folder and in CSS folder, and save it. And now open this in using Sublime Text Editor for the better visual. Okay, here now save this and provide here width is equal to 40px. So and now okay, print ticket.php, I have to link print ticket.css file with the php file using the link tag. Okay, here print ticket.css, and now run this code in our project. Okay, 40px, there is some error. 20px, check it, what is the output coming. Okay, print ticket.php, that's good. Top to bottom and see the name of the class that I have chosen, print ticket number image. Okay, print ticket number image, then it should work. Why it is not working, man? I am giving height. Now refresh this page. There is some problem. Never expand a small widget danger type class container. Dive class container. Okay, button type button class navbar toggler data toggle collapse data target print ticket navbar span class navbar toggle icon. Button tag is closed. Image tag images slash bus.png class print ticket navbar image. Dive tag closed. Collapse navbar collapse. Okay, id print ticket navbar ul class navbar nav li class nav item href bus ticket class nav link test icon whatever it is good. Li tag closed. Li closed. Okay, then UL tag is closed. Navbar nav emulator nav item drop down bus ticket. All things are good here. Print pay but not coming good way. Okay, let me check. Body background red. For testing purpose, no, not coming. That means our CSS file is not properly linked with our HTML PHP file. Okay. Oh my god. What a silly mistake. Now it is correct. Yes, you can see our code is working properly now. So delete this body tag, sorry, body attribute, and type here wait. It's okay. Now good. Okay. Save it and yes, manage booking, bus ticket, that's it. Okay, all are coming properly, but the here you can see there should be an arrow towards down that denotes that it is drop down menu of drop down element of navigation bar. For this there must be some error in our code because our actual visual is not coming in navigation bar. Print ticket number. Okay. No, correct. I think drop down Tuple class I had left. Now change it and save it and refresh this page. Yes, now it is coming. Good. As per our requirement. Now moving to the next section. I have to display also display the ticket letters booked by the respective passengers. For this, okay, we will continue the rest of it in the next video. So thank you, stay tuned with us, see you in next video.